What up, YouTube? You can't stop trading and investing with your boy James E. Today I want to talk about two stocks. I want to talk about AITX. Had a beautiful breakout yesterday and sold my position today. And we are now having this huge drop, a panic sell off. I want to get into OZSC. Second red day in a row, but it's kind of maintaining some good levels. I want to get into the technicals on that as well. But before I do that, man, please click that like button. Please subscribe. It is very much appreciated. I am not a financial advisor. I'm just a guy that likes to research and analyze anything I find interesting in the stock market, and I like to share that with anybody willing to listen. So, that being said, let's just get right into it. So first, we're going to go with AITX. As I talked about in my previous video, if you haven't watched it, please go and do so. I had purchased it in this day, in the previous day on Tuesday, and then sold it anticipating, not knowing whether or not this was going to break or not. So, I sold my position right before the break. And then when it solidified the breakout and held beautifully, I bought back in over the breakout level and sold it into this push this morning, and it gave me a beautiful profit of about 18% profit, which was, close to about $4,000. So that was a beautiful day. That was beautiful for me, because I continue to scale my process, and percentages is what I'm after. Because once you get used to capturing a certain percentage, all you got to do is scale from there. So, that was beautiful. And then we had this mass panic, as you can see right here. We're finally having a dip off of the 18 to 19 range, having a nice bounce on it. That could actually have been a very good buy. I was almost tempted to purchase this dip right here, which would have been also a very nice, 18 to 20% shoot up from here to here. But I didn't capitalize on it. I was actually just very happy with the profits I took in all three of my accounts. So, I kind of just walked away and, with a profit, and was very happy to do so. But we're finally having this big red day. I'm wondering where this is truly going to end. I'm anticipating another red day tomorrow. And I want to see some type of consolidation before I plan on getting back into that one. And then pretty much the same thing with OZSC. OZSC is having its second red day from its huge run. Again, guys, when you're seeing runs like this, it's normal to have these corrections. I expect these to happen. Anytime I'm seeing a massive run, I expect a few red days to come in. That's how the game is played. That's the stock market for you. We had a red day yesterday, had a gap up yesterday, huge run, then turned red. And then now we're having another red day. And I'm anticipating probably another red day. Because you see in the history here, 3 red days before it started to turn. So I'm curious to see if that's going to happen here as well. Very similar to AITX. That's the same thing I'm looking for in both of these stocks. They look almost exactly the same, identical when it comes to the actual chart pattern. And so I like playing these two stocks the same way, whether just getting used to intraday action, either buying the breakouts, buying the dips, or selling them into the morning, buying them at the close, selling them in the morning. You could capitalize on any 3 of those opportunities if you know what you're doing. And so those are the opportunities I look for in AITX and OZSC. So it's looking like, I want to see where this is actually going to base. If this happens to be the base, we don't know yet. I mean, it could continue to drop even further. So I want to see more red days, solidify a base, and then that'd be a good entry point to repurchase this thing. And same thing with OZSC. So leave a comment. Let me know what you guys think of my analysis. If you made it this far, man, please click that like button. Please subscribe. You Can't Stop Mafia is a mindset movement, meaning never stop yourself, never stop your progress, never stop your education, especially in finance. Having multiple streams of income is an amazing thing, and the stock market is a place where you could do that. So AITX having a huge panic today after the massive run. Want to see some consolidation there. And OZSC on its second red day, also after its massive run, and want to see consolidation there. And then I'll be able to determine some buy signals for a reversal. So that's going to be it for today, guys. Till next time, I'm out. Peace.